What is up, guys? This is your host, Solefly Sector, checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys having a Solefly day today. Tell me in comments how fly are you and all that good stuff. And hope you guys had a good Mother's Day and treated your mom with respect. Treated her right with gifts and stuff. Hope it was fun day for you guys. Hope it was a good day for you guys, for your mom, and all of that. And yeah, hope it was happy vibes. Hope you guys were so fly and all of that. So by the title, you guys already know this is a really special unboxing to show you, shoe, everything. And this model is crazy because this is like the whole hype, for 2020, 2021. Everybody wants these sneakers all of a sudden. And I've been on the dunk wave for a while, but I just never owned a pair of dunks because I never just, pulled the trigger on in any of the years. I just wanted to build my sneaker collection, with unique sneakers and sneakers that people just do not have and you guys just do not see nowadays. And I just wanted a good collection in that sort of way. So I finally pulled the trigger. Shout out to the people over there at Sneaker Knockers Cook Group, and thank you for these and making it happen. So shall we get into them? Yeah. Whew. Let's get into them right there. Let's see what we got. Ooh. So, as you guys probably already guessed, these are the Syracuse Dunk Highs. And these are really cool because they're like a nice clean colorway with that white and orange naranja type of vibes there, type of color. Syracuse. Ooh. The quality on these isn't 100% that good, but it is pretty good of what they represent and how they look on feet, because they look crazy. And by the way, I will be providing on feet for these completely. So, and please follow my Instagram down below. I will leave it right there and up there, and my I'll leave my TikTok up there as well. As I said, naranja color. And please, Nacho, tell me what you think about these. Fantastic. You heard the man. They're very nice. So as I said, the leather isn't that good. It does provide you with the Nike on the tongue, that nice OG feel, the nice OG, gangsta. OG gangsta sneaker right here. It is what it is, and they are a really nice sneaker for the summer. So go cop yourself a pair of these, or just in general cop a pair of Dunk Highs, because they are cool and they look cool on feet. I already tried them on to see how they look, and I thought they were going to fit like wide, but it actually fits like a Jordan 1. It actually looks like a Jordan 1. They kind of fit a little bit wider than the Jordan 1, but a little bit. Like, it's hard to tell, but they do fit really nice in my opinion. And they look good in hand and on feet. Trust me, just wait for it Can't say enough about these, but I really wanted these specifically because they look like the shattered backboard in a way, but just not with the orange swoosh, but because the shattered backboard has a black swoosh. But you know, it's a good alternative. It's not a Jordan as well, but I'm not paying that $800 for a shattered backboard. Why not just get these, right? So let's get the other shoe out. So, ooh, very nice shoe right here. Ooh, man, I paid $180 for these. Not so, you know, bad of a price in my opinion, but it's pretty good for, you know, just paying that huge resale price. It's like better than that. And it's todo. Es todo. Es todo. Es todo.
In a secret place? That is a crazy lady.
You know? Es todo. But anyways, sorry. That was stupid. But anyways, just so glad to have these shoes. And let's get a closer look at these on another location. 1, 2, 3, go! So, we're outside, you know, birds chirping, and I just want to give you guys a closer look at the Syracuse Dunk Highs. I think it's a really good sneaker overall. In the summertime, just a really good casual sneaker to travel with, and they're pretty comfy, and they fit a little bit big. Just so I could tell you guys need to go half a size down in these because they fit a little big, more than the Jordan 1s. The Jordan 1s, in my opinion, I think they are like true to size and they feel amazing on feet. Crazy. But these, they kind of fit a little bit bigger in my opinion. So yeah, go half a size down. I'm probably gonna go size 10. So yeah, I don't know what's up with these, but the the orange is like really popping on these. You see that? Really dope on these, in my opinion. Please go cop yourself a pair right now. They're not going that much, you know. They're not going for that much. So, and I know we've been taking a lot of L's on the sneakers app. I still have yet to win on any dunk. I don't know what's up with that. I haven't won one time, and I tried for all of them. Trust me, all of them, every single pair. It's crazy. I have no idea. I have no idea how to win like all these people have been winning. I don't know what's up with that. So please, if you're new, leave a like on this video and comment down below of whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Go comment down below. Please leave a like. Please do that for me. Leave a like right now. Share this video if you want. And hit that subscribe button, of course. And hope you guys enjoy this on feet after this segment. And see you guys on the next one.